Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mama Nell. The question for me is, my question is about how can I balance? The question is the role of English teachers in preserving Philippine culture. So, as a future educator, the role of teachers in preserving the Philippine literature is that, for example, we write the poems, um, we write we write the poems. We still use how we can express, and then the poetry. The second question po is,
It's just one question.
so how can we balance the as a future educator, balance global and local literacy traditions. So we can balance them by using poetry, and then for some reasons we debate using English, and that debate, for example, is what we call sometimes the balagtasan. In that case, we also preserve our culture, which is the balagtasan. And others is and also is when we communicate to others, we speak English, but in a way that we don't forget our uh, native native language.
Kung okay na sa'yo